Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan. Sorry pala sa mga nakasubaybay sa akin. Hindi ako nakapag-reading ng mga nakaraan. Nagkasakit po or sumama po yung aking pakiramdam ng mga nakaraan. So, hindi po ako nakapag-reading. And at the same time, pinriority ko yung mga nag-avail ng bracelet. Yung may kasamang astrological or tarot reading sa aking TikTok shop. So, kung gusto mo rin maka-experience, ayan, magkaroon ng personal reading mula sa akin, makapagpa-personal reading. TikTok shop ko, Unipree. Check mo na lang sa TikTok shop or TikTok, isearch mo na lang Unipree. UNIPRI. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, meron ka ditong pathway, despair, and poverty. Family, room is at the bottom of the deck, and child. Okay, so I feel like some of you, you're not okay. By the way, love reading to ha. You're not okay. Pwedeng you're seeing your person. Yung person na kakonect mo. So, kung wala kang kakonect, this is not your reading. Because nakakakita ko ng connection talaga dito na malala. So, nakikita natin, pwedeng nakikita mo yung person na ito as a sun. As the sun. You know? How beautiful the sun is. Nakikita mo yung glow up niya, yung liwanag niya, whatever. Is in this person's life, nakikita mo to as something na very beautiful. You know? And while all of a sudden, sa side mo, you have the rain, you have the problem, stress, you are having anxiety, you're having depression. Ayan, pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng problem either because of money or because of yung emotions mo is, for what I can see here, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang health or hindi okay na feeling. You're tired pagdating sa work or sa daily activities mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng feeling na rejection. And I feel like some of you, your spirit guides, no, might be telling you na pumunta or maybe talk to a friend or maybe this person, maybe they're telling you na makipag-connect or communicate ka sa person na to share your experience or your drama, yan, sa buhay. Pwedeng someone is telling you na sabihin mo sa mga taong ito, not necessarily sa person na ito, but sa people around you na you know, you have to express yourself. Kaya lang hindi mo express eh. Or hindi mo ini-express, whether because it's your ego, or you feel like ayaw mong makita ang ganyan, or ayaw mo ipakita sa sarili mo sa kanya na ganyan ka, or maybe nakakahiya, or maybe, you know, there's a lot of challenges and changes sa buhay mo ngayon. And some of you, something is stopping you or may nag-i-stop sa'yo to be more open sa taong ito. Okay? Maybe dahil ito sa sarili mong paniniwala, sa sarili mong prinsipyo. Some of you, ang prinsipyo is, kung hindi lang rin naman pwedeng maging tayo, bakit pa? Diba? Parang ganon. So, may mga ganong feeling na pwedeng sa personal mo na lang yun eh, na paniniwala or pag-iisip, because some of you, mataas talaga ang ego. Ano? So, sino ba itong person na kakonect mo? Who is this person that you're dealing with? The person that you are dealing with for the sign of Virgo. Yeah, like what I told you, this person, you do have your wealthy man. This person, you do have here the privileged lady and the main female. Okay. So, maybe you are dealing with business person or a person na nasa mataas, you know, the wealthy man. By the word itself, no, the wealthy. So, pwedeng nasa may kayang pamilya, maganda ang kinalakihan, no? Pwedeng laki siya sa naka silver spoon, then ikaw naman naka kamay, ganun ganon. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Pero maybe medyo malaki ang comparison sa inyong dalawa. And privileged lady, someone na, you know, lahat ng mga gandang privilege sa buhay parang nakikita mo sa kanya na eh. 'Di ba? Tapos ikaw, ano ang saysay mo? Ano ang, kumbaga nakikita mo yung sarili mo na parang ito lang ako. 'Di ba? You have your inner insecurities. Some of you hindi mo maipakita 'yon or hindi mo sinasabi yung inner insecurities mo na 'yon. Maybe regarding to your home, regarding yourself. And with the main female, you see this person as someone na, you know, sabihin na natin gusto mo yung buhay niya, na meron siya. Parents, home, not necessarily lahat. But everything about this person, you see this as a perfect one. And then nakikita mo yung sarili mo as parang alalay lang, alipin, or parang ito lang ako, parang dumi lang ako sa kanya. Journey is here, so some of you, there's pagkakalayo with regard sa inyong hindi lang sa status, pero pwedeng sa inyong distance, no? So maybe there's distance in between the two of you. So tell me more please. Tell me more for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You do have here, pay attention to the red flags, playfulness, and true love. Tell me more for the sign of Earth sign. For the sign of Earth sign. For the sign of Earth sign. Nakakita ko ng daga. And not necessarily may daga dito sa aking pwesto, sa aking lugar, ano. I mean, in my vision, may nakita akong daga. So, I don't know if you're a rat sa Chinese horoscope or what. Or maybe, katulad ng isang daga, nakikita mo yung sarili mo as a daga. Medyo maliit ang tingin mo sa sarili mo compared sa, ano siya. Okay, heart-to-heart conversation. And let go of control issues. Bottom of the deck is engagement. I want to, you know, huhingi lang ako ng konting segundo kasi inom lang ako. Okay. So, from time to time, iinom ako, guys. Kasi hindi po biro ang magsalita na magsalita, ano. Pay attention to the red flags. So, eto na to eh. Parang ego mo na talaga to eh. Na parang, pwedeng hindi mo siya pinapansin. Pwedeng, you know, maybe there's another connection or another relationship na involved. Pwedeng sa side ng person na ito, or maybe sa side mo, it doesn't matter. Pero, hindi ko nakikitang ito yung main issues. Some of you, kung yun ang main issues, pwede. Pero, majority of you, ang issues is because of your appearance, because of how you see yourself, because of your personality, because, maybe ikaw na ito na talaga dumidistansya sa kanya. No? And, yeah, I can see the planet Pluto. Yung planet Pluto kasi siya yung pinakamalayo sa ating mundo, sa Earth, no? That is the farthest planet. So, especially kung ang placement ng iyong Pluto sa iyong natal chart, sa pinaka-chart mo ng iyong pinakapanganakan is nakalagay sa first house or sa 7th house. So nandun yung feeling na kailangan mo lumayo or umiwas sa taong ito. Or maybe 11th house if you're dealing with a friend, because there's a friend here. So pwedeng kaibigan mo tong taong to. So, nandun yung paglayo or pag-iwas mo na feeling mo kailangan mo nang umiwas or dapat kang umiwas. Playfulness is here. So, you are being, you know, immature. Kasi pwedeng yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-experience or gawain sa kanya is ginagawa mo sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Like maybe there's another connection or relationship or ka-connect ka sa side mo, tapos you're not being honest. You're showing to these people na parang masaya kayo, masaya ka sa kanya, but deep inside there's this longing for a true love, true romance, true, you know, a lifetime commitment. And pwedeng ang gusto mo sana ay sa person na ito. This person wants to talk, gusto niya makipag-usap. No? This person wants you to let go of control issues kasi feeling niya, nararamdaman niya na kinokontrol mo lang eh. And then, this might be a friend na willing siyang suportahan ka. If you see yourself na financially hindi mo kayang sumuport sa kanya, I can support you, I can help you, I can give you home, I can give you I can help you learn the skills that you need, or kung yung mga kailangan mo, I can provide. This person would like you to know na yon, kaya ko ibigay sa'yo to, kaya kong, whatever your insecurities are, ina-accept ko yon, and then I am here to help you na maging mas better version of yourself. This person wants to tell you that. Alam niya sa sarili niya kung ano yung nakikita mo sa kanya or nararamdaman niya na feeling mo mas better siya. Alam niya yun, ramdam niya yun. Tapos nandun yung feeling na gusto kong tulungan ka. Gusto kong magkaroon ng ending kung ano man itong nangyayari sa atin about this connection na hindi maganda. Gusto kong i-let go mo yung bakod na nilagay mo sa ating dalawa, yung harang. Because this person is being open, this person is being free, no? Sa kung ano man yung mga gusto niyang i-open up sa'yo. But you, on the other hand, you are more emotional, you are more, insecure, and, basta nilagay mo na lang talaga ng harang yung sarili mo. Anyway, what will happen in the near future for you? What is the outcome of this connection? Earth sign, outcome of this connection. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You do have your mask, love, and one more card, lightning. Tell me about the lightning, self-indulgence, and you do have your stab in the back, not enough, camera. Okay, the runner. Now, what is the advice here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? The Phoenix is at the bottom of the deck. Paradise, Snake, not today, and Coffin. Okay. So, ito ay advice sa ilalim. Pero dito tayo sa outcome or near future reading. In the near future, the mask. Alam mo yung literal na maskara, ayan, para itago yung sarili mo. That is you in the near future, still hiding yourself. This is you in the near future, being not honest sa sarili mo with regard sa iyong emotions. I can see you being, the person who focus more on sa goals mo, and maybe you are taking power dito sa connection na ito, and you still do love this person. Hindi ko nakikitang nawawala yung, and this is the one na ini-ignore mo or hindi mo inaamin sa sarili mo na you love this person. Pero parang sa isip-isip mo, bago mo mahalin tong taong to or ipakita sa kanya yung pagmamahal na yan, maybe first, kailangan ko mapantayan muna siya, kailangan ko munang i-transform ang sarili ko into a better person, kailangan ko munang mapantayan siya, di ba? Parang ganon. Or kailangan ko munang mag-gain or makuha itong mga material possession na feeling mo na kailangan mo maybe a job or something na pwedeng maipagmamalaki mo sa kanya. Okay? So, this is you na nandun pa rin yung pagiging mataas ng ego mo sa part na yon. And then, on the other hand, this person with the stab in the back, nasasaktan in the future, nasasaktan siya in the past, nasasaktan siya ngayon, kasi maybe you're not communicating, ikaw yung parang mataas ang ego, hindi niya alam kung ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo, emotions mo, whatever. So, nasaktan siya. So, with the not enough, this is your person, na naiinis, nagbibigay ng frustration ito sa kanya, itong connection na ito, itong okay, you don't want to talk, you don't want na i-work out ang connection natin, fine. Camera is the energy of your person na tinatanggal yung kanyang connection or tinatanggal niya ang focus sa'yo. And with the runner, you're dealing with the person in the future na, okay, gumagawa ako ng paraan in the past na makipag-usap sa'yo, makipag-connect sa'yo, makipag-i-work out. No? But if you really don't want and wala na akong magagawa, alangan namang i-continue ko pa ang pagpilit ko sa sarili ko sa'yo, diba? So, this person will run and yeah, nandun yung biglang magkakaroon ng pagbabago the way na itong person na ito ay makipag-connect sa'yo. If you feel like lagi lang siyang nandyan, kung kailan handa ka na, maybe this person, sige, fine, I'll give you the freedom you need, you want. Kasi yun ang feeling niya Gusto mo na freedom, ayaw mo na i-work out ang connection, ang relationship, you have a lot of drama or things or emotions na hindi mo kayang i-open sa kanya. Guys, itong reading na to applicable kung ang connection ninyo, yung person mo nakikipag-communicate sa'yo, ha? Kasi I can see communication. Nakikipag-connect siya sa'yo. Pero ikaw itong walang ginagawa. Ikaw tong pero some of you, if the reading is the other way around, sasabihin mo, ako yung nakikipag-communicate and then this is your side, ikaw to. Okay? Take only what resonates. So, nakita natin dito, yeah, your person will definitely run. Your person, magpo-focus na lang din siya sa ibang bagay, sa health, fitness. I can see your person, ino-organize ang kanyang buhay, ang kanyang sarili, ang kanyang negosyo, career. This is person who is focused sa pagbibigay ng tulong sa iba. Kasi service na binibigay sa ibang tao. And this person will be more focused on growing and mga daily activities sa buhay niya. And why? Because wala ka dun This person wants to build a future with you. Gusto niya ng future with you. Kung may mga kulang pa sa sarili mo, gawa natin ng paraan yan together. We can be partners. We can be, this person wants commitment with you. And gusto niya ng partnership. Pag sinabing partnership, walang mataas, walang mababa. Ipapantay kita sa level ko na pagtutulungan nating dalawa kung paano mangyayari yun. Pero, because you don't want to share your goal, you don't want to share your life to this person, your emotions to this person, in the future, nakikita natin na, okay, ayaw mo, define. Ayaw mo sa akin. Yun yung tatatak sa isip niya na parang, ayaw mo sa akin, sige. Wala na akong magagawa. So, the advice for you is the paradise. Ano ba yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo? Okay? Ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo? Dapat tanungin mo yan sa sarili mo Kasi if you feel like hindi talaga siya makakapagpasaya sa'yo, then fine. You're free to go. Free to focus on finding something or someone na tingin mong makakapagpasaya sa'yo, sa mentalidad mo, makakatulong sa'yo with regards to your money, with regards to your goals, or kung feeling mo kaya mo ma-achieve lahat ng goal na yan kahit wala tong person mo, sige, fine. Do that. Diba? Pero, kung hindi, if you feel like kung nakaka-relate ka, nakaka-resonate ka na, mahal ko tong taong to. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano ko isasabihin sa kanya. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano ko i-open sa kanya. Especially na medyo mababa ang tingin ko sa sarili ko ngayon. Some of you, you need to take risk sa connection. Kailangan mo mag-take ng risk. Diba? And, kailangan may pakita ang sarili mo. Hindi ka pwedeng habang buhay nagtatago. Hindi ka pwedeng habang buhay na ganyan. Especially kung matagal-tagal mo na rin namang alam na mahal mo tong taon to, why would you keep that to yourself? Hanggang kailan ka magkakaroon ng what if? Diba? Paano kung dumating ka na sa point na matanda ka na, tapos hanggang dun sa pagtanda mo, nandun pa rin yung question mo sa sarili mo, what if? What if ganito ginawa ko? What if sinabi ko sa kanya yung emotions ko dati? Ano kaya yung buhay ko ngayon? Ano kaya kami ngayon? Diba? Kasi yung what if, yun na yung parang pagsisisi na part eh. Kailan ka magsisisi? Parang paghuli na lahat. Diba? Sometimes you need to face your fears. So, kung yung kinakatakutan mo is yung i-open up ang emotion mo dito sa taong to, magpaka-vulnerable sa kanya. Bakit? Bakit ka matatakot? Bakit ka mahihiya? Sa nakikita natin, willing makipag-communicate ang taong ito sa'yo. Willing siyang magpaka-vulnerable sa'yo. Willing siyang i-express ang emotions niya. And this person is willing to take care of you, your family, and whoever these people na importante sa'yo. Willing siyang tanggapin. Did you have here the paradise, the snake? So, the snake and the knot today, this is showing to me as other person, other people sa buhay mo. Na maybe the boundary, nababasa natin yung boundary eh. Some of you, yung snake, that is your ego ha. Kasi nga, yung iba, yung snake could be another person, relationship, na involved sa connection ninyo. Diba? If that is the case, if that is the main problem, no? You do have your coffin. You need to grow up. You need to end yung connection na hindi healthy sa'yo but rather very toxic. The snake is katulad ng isang ahas, hindi mo talaga alam mapapagkatiwalaan eh. Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka tutuklawin. And you know, the snake is a very venomous, and not all snake, no, na may iba-ibang klase ng snake, but dito sa reading natin, this is a venomous snake. Lalo na ang picture dito is nakaano siya, nakaporma siya na anytime tutuklaw ako. So that there's this snake na there's a lot of venom sa snake na ito. So with regards to that could be may kinalaman sa other affair, other love, other relationship. Kung yun ang situation mo, the coffin is here. Maybe it's time for you na i-end, because there's a beautiful transition. There's a beautiful new beginning na naghihintay para sa'yo. Diba? Kung nasa side mo yon, kung ikaw ang may handle ng connection, especially if your person is being honest with you, the problem is ikaw ang hindi nagiging honest sa sarili mo. If that's the case, kailangan unang-una kang dapat magiging honest or magiging totoo ay sa sarili mo. Alam mo yung, ikaw nakakaalam ng sarili mong isip eh. Ng iniisip mo, ng emotions mo, ng anong gusto mong mangyari. Hindi ka naman, planeta. Hindi na Pluto talaga na pwede kang lumayo lang habang buhay. Anyway. Thank you for watching, guys. Buhay mo yan eh. Kasi maiksi lang naman ang buhay sa mundo, guys. And tandaan mo na yun. Yung word na what if. So, anyway. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. And why? Bakit kailangan mag-subscribe? Soon enough, dito ko na lang din ilalagay yung mga readings ko. Astrological readings. Yan. Check your sun, moon, rising. Especially the rising. Yan, doon ako magka-concentrate. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.